Happy New Year. Today's February 17th, 2026. It's a 2-day. It's the Chinese New Year. It's the Lunar New Year. Today we have a solar eclipse happening. And you'll very rarely ever hear me say this, but please don't try to set any manifestations tonight with the new moon. Please don't. The moon is eclipsing the sun today, and the sun is about the self, and the moon is eclipsing it, so there's going to be a lot of truth exposed today, so not a good day to set manifestation intentions. It's 2-day. There's a lot of craziness happening in the heavens. I just found out. Okay, so today's solar eclipse is like going to be a precursor to Lionsgate. Like, what we see today energetically are going to be the lessons that we're going to be going through from July 26th until next February's new moon in Leo. So yeah, don't manifest or don't set manifestations today. Like, not on purpose, just because the moon's gonna expose some shit about you. It's gonna throw your energy off. Yeah. Cracked open. Surrender to the alchemy of life. Deep cellular healing. This is Arcturus energy and physical and emotional healing. Anxiety. There's something wrong with me. It's my anxiety. Alright, anxiety. And holding a heart. Venus is in Pisces. Ooh, both of those are 9 cards. Venus be Venusing. It's exalted in Pisces. And I'm not going to pretend like I know what any of that shit means. All I know right now is that Lionsgate's going to be amazing. And yesterday, all I kept thinking was happy birthday to me, because I am the Leo Virgo cusp, and I fucking love Leo energy. Split your focus. Ooh, Saturn. And the moon. Move your body to move your emotion. Okay. let's read about them. I've got the Deviant Moon Tarot out here today too, because I feel like the moon's gonna be doing some funky shit. I see the moon in this card and this card. Cracked open. Don't let the weight and density of the world squash your tender spirit. Instead, let it call even more of it home into your body at the center front of your life. It's through the extreme pressure of life's trials that diamonds are cultivated. It's when things are at their darkest that we cultivate proper faith and our light is ignited. It's through the crumbling that we can allow our wounds to be alchemized. Let your pain, sorrow, and losses make you, not break you. Let life alchemize your tragedies into gold. I expect to see the Magician come out at some point during this reading. Alright. Deep cellular healing. Oh, it was literally the next card. Nice. Your body knows how to heal. Healing is your natural state. Physical and emotional disharmony can be a reflection of how the world, inner and outer, has been out of alignment. If you're suffering from a mystery or chronic illness, don't allow yourself to think you've done something wrong. Today, it's difficult to navigate our health. If this card has made its way to you, you're being called to focus on your healing in practical ways, to prioritize your health, to be kind and tender to your miraculous body, to give yourself the grounding and care you need, to put your body first, to nourish yourself as you would a newborn baby, to treat yourself with tender care. Saturn got me fucked up, bro. Okay, next, anxiety. Card number 18, 18, 18, 18, oh, 13. Worry or distress. The woman on this card is filled with anxiety, worrying about something that causes her a great deal of discomfort. Receiving this card upright may indicate you're experiencing a time of increasing stress, perhaps even a situation that you find yourself brooding about much of the time. You'll notice the scene outside the window. There's a storm going on out there. Whatever is going on, this card is telling you to release the worry and let yourself relax. Brooding and fretting will never solve things, so trust in yourself and trust the process. And man holding a heart. Male, dealing with family, love, or emotions. This tender man sits with flowers all around, holding a heart in his hand. For a man, this signals a greater clarity about emotions and their purpose in your life. There could be a more balanced approach to family and love at this time, even if these have been confusing experiences for you in the past. For some, this card could signal the presence of a new man in your life, one who tends to be more thoughtful and aware. Whether or not this man is a love interest or a friend, he brings a high intention to help where personal projects, family, or home issues are concerned. All right. Split your focus. You may be spending too much time concentrating on the world around you and ignoring your feelings. Are you ignoring the anxiety? There's a healthy balance to be found that needs your attention. Split your focus and cracked open. This is something to do with anxiety. Maybe Maybe Saturn in Aries is causing anxiety, because I see Saturn here, and then I see a half a moon, and the new moon is eclipsing the sun. If you're too focused outward, you may feel you have lost yourself, and if you're too focused inward, you may feel disconnected. The balance is found in a 70-30 split. 70% should remain outward, observing the external world, and 30% should be inward, checking on how you feel. Finding this balance helps support you. Holding some internal focus can prevent you from feeling extreme highs and lows, getting overly exhausted, hitting burnout, or missing joyous moments. So even when the world around you feels stressful and busy, hold some internal focus. This is about you becoming the observer. And number 19, move your body to move your emotion. Well, this is easy. That's the if you're feeling some kind of way, go do something. I actually do say this all the time. If you're sitting in bed and you're feeling depressed, get off your ass and go clean a toilet. Fold some laundry. Do something. Get up and move. So much of life has become sedentary, and it's time to mix things up and get moving in ways that feel nourishing to you. Movement is good for both your physical and mental health. Your emotions will shift when you move your physical body, so if you're feeling stuck in any area of your life right now, get up and wiggle those hips, the emotional center of your body. What's your go-to movement of choice? For some, it's intense exercise, like going to the gym or running. For others, it's dancing, yoga, or going for a walk in nature. There's no right or wrong way to move, but this is your nudge to rediscover what movement feels nourishing for your soul. Get up and move. Interesting. Physical and emotional healing. Alright, let's do it. We've got the Fool. New journey. Yesterday we had the World. The cycle's over. It's time for a new one. The Eight of Swords. Oh, there's you having anxiety over this new cycle starting. Meanwhile, the moon's peeking around the corner like, the fuck is wrong with you? The Fool with the Eight of Swords. Crowning energy. We got the Ten of Pentacles. Right. Life's chess, not checkers. The Ace of Wands. In the past, we keep seeing that card this week. A new, passionate, inspired beginning. The subconscious is the Seven of Swords. And in the future, we've got the Emperor. It's about your stability. What are we stabilizing this morning? The Knight of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the King of Pentacles, and Strength. The Two of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the Nine of Wands. Okay. This solar eclipse gonna have you fucked up today. It is going to have you messed up. Yeah, there's definitely something here about the lies you tell yourself and how you keep yourself trapped. Cycles start and cycles end. And around and around and around and around they go. And every time we think that we're getting to the end of a cycle, it just has spiraled up. And we are going to have to see a new perspective on it. Like these, healing never finishes. I'm hearing slow and steady wins the race. We've got the Knight of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles and Strength and the Wheel of Fortune. Let's see, 10, that's 18, that's 9. So what I have here is a collective of people who maybe you wrestled with your inner beast for so long that life has now become mundane and boring. I mean, you're pretty stable. I mean, your bank accounts are good. You've got the house, the car, the whatever. You've got the stability, right? But life has become boring. Boring, boring, boring. You're doing the same shit every day. You, tamed your beast. Your dragon's not locked in her cage. She's just placing until you need her to come out. 2 of Cups, the 9 of Wands, and the 5 of Swords. Boundaries. Setting boundaries with people feels like it's an exhausting fight. I feel like you've come across people who are taking your boundaries personally. You know, too, you may also be finding, and then we said this yesterday, you may also be finding that you have some boundaries set that is causing people that you want to be in your life like, I think that's probably your anxiety, is that people are falling away, people that you thought that you wanted in your life. And this may be like, oh, this is like the start of a new cycle, but how can I start a new cycle? And it's like, I'm trapped within this mindset. There's a paradigm shift that needs to happen. You're already in the 10 of Pentacles, but you're lying to yourself about something. Maybe, oh, you're already in this 10 of Pentacles, like, you're playing chess with the universe. But you don't see it. You're not recognizing it. The Fool card is saying, have faith. Have faith. Trust the process. Keep doing what you're doing. Something has come along. Something has come along. It has birthed a new creation, a new idea, a new something new inspired, or new inspiration that has set you down a new path. A new path. And ultimately, it's leading to your stability. You've got a lot of anxiety here. Man holding a heart. And with the Emperor. And we have the Two of Cups. This Ace of Wands, though, is interesting. This is feminine. She's holding a baby. She's holding the torch. There's a Hercules beetle in this picture. I'm hearing the intro to a soap opera from the 80s and 90s. As the World Turns. Is that right? Huh. The King of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. I hope this made sense for somebody. I don't know what else to tell you. All of this is leading to the ultimate goal of being the master of your own universe. Move. Get up and move. The solar eclipse energy is bringing deep cellular healing today, but you're going to get cracked open and it's going to be uncomfortable as shit, so buckle up, buttercup. Alright, I love you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.